We already know that every sales proposal that you send manually is money you're leaving on the table. Let's face it, after every sales call, you have to probably spend like 30 to 1 hour to 60 minutes creating a custom proposal, extracting information from transcripts that you did with your client, extracting data from CRMs, and trying to make everything look beautiful. But what if I told you if you can do this process automatically in just 30 seconds? Right now, I'm going to show you how you can create personalized AI proposals using an n8n workflow, and it's really easy to do. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build this workflow exactly. And yeah, let's jump right into it. So first, I'll start by showing you how we're going to do this with our workflow. I'm going to share this workflow on the description of this video, so you don't have to create every step of it and only have to configure the parts that you need to configure as well. But it starts with a simple webhook. It's connected to your CRM. It could be like on HubSpot, Pipedrive, or wherever CRM you like to extract information from. Over here, I map some information that we're going to use on an agent. The agent is going to get every information that he has on the lead, and he's going to formulate a data structure that he's going to generate the PDF with. After that, you're going to send an email to the customer with that PDF proposal attached to it. So before we jump into the workflow per se, let's start by creating our PDF template, and we're going to be using PDF Noodle to do that. Okay, so you can go to pdfnoodle.com. I'm also going to insert the link on the description of the video. All you have to do is start your free trial over here. They do offer a 7-day free trial plan for you to test it out, and you can even create your first template on the onboarding process. You don't even have to insert your credit card. But after you already went through the onboarding process, you're going to go to this screen and you're going to create a new template. You can either create one using HTML or using no code. I'm going to create one using HTML because it's easier to get exactly what I want, and also it's vibe coded, so you can change everything by typing, and you don't actually need to know code in order to use it. So right here, I'm going to create a simple prompt to create my proposal. What I did is I went to Claude a few minutes before, and I created with him a prompt of a template. You can create your own. I created a 5-page template with my color theme that I wanted, a cover page, executive summary with challenges that will be customized for the client according to the data that I have from him. Proposed solutions according to what I can offer clients based on his challenges, investment and pricing, and next steps and call to action also. So as I said, I just went to Claude or ChatGPT and I asked him to create this outline of a proposal of a 5-page proposal for me. He created this one. You can create your own, and yeah, I just click on create my template over here, and it takes a few minutes for the template to actually be created. So I'm going to fast forward this a little bit so you don't have to watch the AI do all the work here. All right, so our template is already created here on PDF Noodle. As I said before, you don't actually need to code in order to change things on the template itself. For instance, I can add my company logo here. I don't need to know how to do it. All I have to do is click either on modify with AI. I can type like change the cover page logo to this one I'm attaching here. Then I can upload a logo here. All right, I upload my logo here and I modify the template, and the AI do all the changing for me, so I don't even need to touch the code at all. And yeah, you can change everything you want. You can change colors, you can change the text in here, the disposition of the information as well. It's up to you. And okay, let's create this template. After you create the template, you'll get you can go to the variables of the template over here. You're going to need this one in order to configure your n8n. But let's jump to the n8n right now to configure everything that we're going to use. So let's start with the trigger, the webhook trigger. As I said before, you should input this trigger into your CRM like HubSpot and or Pipedrive or wherever CRM you're using. I'm just going to simulate the data incoming from my CRM over here, so I don't have to actually move people around on my HubSpot. The second thing you need to do is map the fields that you're going to use. So as the information that comes through your CRM is different every time, I created this node so you can configure mostly three informations and everything else you're going to use. So name, email, and the company. I extracted from here. And available data, I just threw everything I got from the customer here. We're going to use this available data field to actually generate the data we need for the proposal itself. And the other thing we're going to have to do is, okay, this is the AI agent I created. It's already well formatted. I already have the system prompt over here. If you use the workflow that I shared here on the description, you're already going to have all this information. But there's one thing you need to do. You need to add the expected data structure that you're going to need for your proposal that you just built on PDF Noodle. So to do that, you're going to do after you create your template, you have access to this informations over here. So these are the variables that I'm going to need to create my proposal. I'm going to copy it here, and I'm going to go over here on n8n, double click here, and I'm just going to paste it over here. And also on the AI agent, there is a step here on the output format. I'm also going to paste here just to make sure that the output of the agent will be exactly as I expect. Okay, you don't have to change anything else. Of course, you can change the model you're using if you like another model more than Opus or Claude Sonnet that I'm using here. It's your choice, it doesn't change much. After that, what we're going to do is we're going to use the PDF Noodle node. You can actually search the PDF Noodle by just typing it here on the search bar. It's a verified node from n8n. And right now we're going to select the proposal that we just created. So this one is consulting proposal pack. And we're going to go here and we're going to find consulting proposal pack that we just created. So now we're saying PDF Noodle is exactly what template we're going to be using to generate this PDF. And that's it. Okay, you can change the message here, the email that you're going to send. For instance, you can add your company name here. You can also change the email. It's just a placeholder for you that says, okay, hey, first name, great chatting with you earlier, and you can add your name here, your company name as well. It's up to you to customize your template. But let's see how it works. So if you execute the template, you can see that the webhook send the data, we map the fields, the AI agent is working and trying to figure out, okay, this information that I got from the prospect, how can I transform this into the data that I have to send PDF Noodle in order to generate the final PDF? Okay, and there's one thing you need to know is you can either use and create a template for PDF Noodle and pass the data through it, or you can use the AI agent to generate the final HTML to generate the PDF, and then you use PDF Noodles, convert HTML to PDF to generate the final PDF. I actually prefer the generating template because it's standardized. It doesn't hallucinate each time you have to create this proposal. And PDF Noodle is specialized on creating PDFs, so the page never breaks on the wrong side. It's really well formatted, so I prefer using this one instead of trying to create HTML with AI every time. Okay, so the agent outputted the format of the client for me that I needed to fill the proposal. PDF Noodle generated the URL of the PDF here. I downloaded the binary for the PDF, and as you can see, I sent the message using the PDF attached to this message. Okay, so this is how the workflow works. So final tips for you. You can change a lot of things on this workflow, probably. For instance, you can, instead of connecting to your CRM directly, you could connect to your calendar or like Calendly or call.com to actually, after you did this call with the client, you trigger this workflow and you fetch data from your CRM after that. After that, you can use the AI to generate the proposal and send the email for you. You can also use a human in the loop on this on this process for safety. For instance, after the AI agent generated the data for the customer, you can send this through Slack instead, and on Slack, you have two buttons. The first button would be approve and it continues, or the second button could be, okay, change information X, Y, and Z, and it go back to the AI agent to reformulate the information that actually needed to generate the final PDF. So that way it's more secure and you don't send information that you shouldn't be sending to the customer. So that's totally possible to do and easy to do over here. You can even send me a message if you're having doubts on how to do it. It's on your workflow. And yeah, you should definitely try out PDF Noodle for everything that you need to generate PDFs for. It's really this vibe coding tool for creating PDFs, PDF templates that you can reuse and generate on workflows. And you can also use MCPs to connect to Cloud Desktop to generate PDFs over there as well. It's a really great tool that I recommend you using. And yeah, that's how you generate AI proposals using an n8n workflow and PDF Noodle and AI agents. If this helped you, please leave your like here on the video. It really helps me. You can also subscribe to the channel, share with other people, and comment here if you have any questions or doubts regarding this workflow. All right. So thank you very much for listening and have a great day.